Class 7 Grammar. Okay, we'll start from a new chapter, that is relative pronoun and relative clause. Now let's see what is relative pronoun first. Okay, relative pronouns who, what, which, whom, whose, that not only refer to some of the nouns going before but also join two sentences together. Okay, these are the words. Okay, who, what, which, whom, whose. Okay, some nouns going before and join, this also join two sentences. Now see, look at the following sentence. Now you'll understand. Now see, I met Namya. Namya had just written. I met Namya who had just written. In place of Namya, writing who had just written. I found the diary. I had lost the diary. I found the diary which I had lost. Here is the storybook. You had lent me the storybook. Here is the storybook that you had lent me. That you had lent me. We are joining it. Okay? We join two sentences. That you have lent me, which, who we are joining. Here is the storybook that you had lent me. So we are joining with who, which, that. Now combining sentences using who or whom. How will you use combined sentence by using who and whom? Now see. Who in place of subject. We'll use who in place of what? We'll use who in place of subject. Now see. Study the following pair of sentences carefully. We can join them in two different ways. I know a young man. Okay. The young man had been to Canada. Now how will you join? I know a young man. I know a young man who, in place of young man, you will write who had been to Canada. Here is the doctor. The doctor cures dengue. Cured me of dengue. Here is the doctor who cured me of dengue. Okay? Who. Now next. The thief stolen my wallet. The thief was punished. The thief who stole my wallet was punished. How will I join it? Who. He does his best. He should be praised. He who does his best should be praised. He who does his best should be praised. Now next. Who, whom, in place of the object now. In place of object, how will you use now? See. The object form of whom, who is whom. The object form of who is whom, but this is considered very formal. In spoken English, we normally use who in place of whom. Okay, in spoken English, we use what? We use who in place of whom. We should use whom when a preposition is placed before it. Now you should use whom when a preposition is before it. Now see, the boy is deaf. You spoke to the boy. The boy is deaf. The boy is deaf. You spoke to the boy. The boy who you spoke to is deaf. Now how will you write? The boy who you spoke to is deaf. The boy, or the boy to whom you spoke is deaf. The boy to whom you spoke is deaf. Now see, the girl blows very well. You see her there. You see her there. The girl who or whom you see there blows very well. The girl whom or who you see there blows very well. Like this you have to use. Now see. It's the same way. Combine the following pair of sentences using who or whom. So number 1 will be your homework. Only number 1. Don't do number 2. In copy you compare it. Only number 1 will be your homework in copy. Okay, you just combine with who or whom and only number 1. Okay, class 7, please do your homework. So for today, this much. Thank you.